Remedy, the integrated healthcare system from Mass Biomedical Private Limited for enabling delivery of essential healthcare services during the COVID-19 outbreak. Enabling delivery of essential health services during the COVID-19 outbreak. The concerns COVID-19 has overburdened our healthcare resources. All other primary healthcare delivery is difficult because of the social distancing norms, COVID scare, and shortage of doctors at the primary healthcare systems. Need of the hour is building trust on public health system. Focusing on COVID-19 related activities and continuing to provide essential services is important not only to maintain people's trust in the health system to deliver essential health services, but also to minimize an increase in morbidity and mortality from other health conditions. Need of the hour, building trust on public healthcare system. Particular attention needs to be paid to the delivery of essential healthcare for specific population subgroup, ensuring the safety of healthcare workers. Essential services from all areas include reproductive, maternal, newborn and child health, prevention, treatment for chronic diseases to avoid complications, and addressing the emergencies. The solution: integrated healthcare delivery system Remedy facilitate the best healthcare facility delivery to the remotest part of the country. Expert advisory services by specialist healthcare professionals at remote hub, maintaining social physical distancing. System Remedy is fitted with a touch screen, patient diagnostic system, a video conferencing system, and UPS. Is designed to deliver the visiting patient the basic medicines which are preloaded at the discretion of the public health officers of the geography where it is located. The system setup: machine is installed in remote clinic connected with doctor via internet GSM network, loaded with medicines in predetermined sequence as per the doctor's advice. Operation 1. Every day the machine goes through a self-test checking the inventory in each coil. Before starting the operation, nursing staff at the health center enters the patient ID, name, age and vital parameters into the machine to get the patient information. Operation 2. Video consultation. The patient can opt for a video consultation by pressing the point mentioned on the touch screen. On the touch screen, there are 4 points. On the extreme right, video call with the doctor is there. That button needs to be touched. Operation 3. Video consultation with a specialist is being done. The doctor, the patient are displayed, and the high resolution camera is there. The network: one specialist hub can be connected with multiple Remedy machines as per the requirement. Operation 4. The doctor at the hub gets the vital parameter of the patient. The doctors then send an SMS with the prescription. The specialist can also generate the QR code for the patient to avail the medicines at his convenience. Operation 5. The QR code generated by the specialist in the hub can be printed by the machine in the clinic. The QR code can have longer validity for repeat medicines required for treating lifestyle diseases. Remedy will alert the patient. Operation 6. The drop box will open for 45 seconds after vending of the machines and alert the patient. Drop box will not open in case of partial delivery and the medicines will go to trash. Drop box will be ready to accept refill of medicines. The specialist can repeat the prescription for the medicine. Prescription for the patient. Operation 7. Repeat fresh medicine drops into the box. Medicine drop is collected by the patient. Nursing staff will explain the application of the medicine to the patient. Thank you for watching the presentation. For further details, you can contact us. Mass Biomedicals Private Limited. This is an ISO 13485 2016 certified company located in Paschim Vihar, New Delhi.